Okay, here's the other one. And when you have your cord, you want to get your cord out of the way. You can just shove it in your location like this where the air used to come out. Just anything to get it out of the way, you know. Then I like to try to stand it up on its top. Take my housing, and sometimes if you have to, like if your housing has, remember some of them have a lip here, so if you bend this all out of whack to get it out, you can take your hammer and pow pow pow, get it nice and straight again. That way you can slide it back over here. I've got to look at this, remember where my front is. Okay, it's right there. Take this and slide it over carefully. Oopsie. Right. Yeah. Flip it around the other way. Like that. And now it's not in all the way, so now I can lift up on it. Slide that in like that. Figure out how I had it. I had this facing up, you remember? Okay. And then there's a little notch. There's a little notch in the styrofoam. It's right there. I'm going to slide this straight down like that. Right there. Lift this up. Slide this in. The higher I lift it, the more I can slide the box in. Tilt it up. Boy, I think that fit right in. It might be off a little. Okay, looks good. Bye-bye. Put that in there. And I got the other thing all ready to throw away. Oh, got it backwards. If you get it in just right, it should all fit back in the box. See, I might have to, looks like I'll have to slide this over just a little. Okay, let's try it again. Come on. What'd I do? Get it upside down. Maybe it does go this way. There. Not fitting as well, is it? I don't think that's, something's not happening here. And so I want to get this back in the box properly. It must not be set in the actual notch all the way, and I know it'll fit. Okay, that looks like it's where it's supposed to be. How come this one's not fitting? It should fit. Huh. Aha. There. Okay, you get the idea. You get the idea here. Got a little garbage sack here. And now I can fold that all up. Whew. Okay, now I got it. There's a definite little notch in your styrofoam down there. And this side was off at a skew, ever so slightly. Okay. There. Okay. For easy transportation to a recycler box it all back up. Good way to do it, really. There you go. Now here's a tip for you. Before you put them in the box like I just did, see, I still have to finish this. I still have to put the trim on. I'm going to show you that in a minute on maybe a different video. I'm not sure. It might be on this video. If not, it'll be in one that's fairly close to this. Make sure you plug in your new one. Make sure it works properly. I've never really had a problem with one of these not working, but you know, there's always a first chance for everything. So you don't want to load these up and take them out until, you know, take them out of the house and load them up in the car and take them to a recycler until you know that the new ones work. So I was just getting ready to take these out of here, but before I do that, I'm going to plug these in when I get all done. They should have no problem, but on the off chance that something does happen and if I have to take it out and return it to the store or anything like that, at least I've got one of the old ones that's still working that I could slip into the inside. The housing's still the same. I just slide it back into that insert, but you know, I don't think you're going to have an issue. It's just one point that I'd like to make.